Hello, I'm Matthew Clifford, and this is upgrading a PC and PC Builder, and I'm in computer science and software engineering. So here I have an email asking me to upgrade their PC to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I can see that they already have 8 gigabytes of RAM, and this is the type of RAM that they have. So I accept the email and then go to the shop, and I go to Team Group, and then I go down to the same RAM that they have, which is 8 gigabytes and 266 or 2666, and I'll buy one, and then I'll do this. I'll order it, and then over here I'll grab it, and then end the day, so I get the PC. Okay, so yeah, here's the PC. Right here, and I'll put it down over here, and then I have to upgrade the RAM and then make sure it boots to the operating system. So I'll remove this side panel and unscrew everything to get it off, and then okay, so you can see right here is where you put the RAM. So I'll go to memory, and okay, so this is the one that I ordered, and then I have to open the clips, and once I do that, install it, and then I have to put the side panel back on and screw it back in, and then I have to plug the PC in. So I'll just click P, and that'll power it up. There we go. And now I've checked that it can go to the operating system, and now that PC is done, and now I can put it in the delivery area. And then I can go to my email and collect it. So I completed everything, and then I can collect it, and I get my rewards, and my reviews go up. So that was upgrading and fixing a computer and PC builder, and thank you for watching.